In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 1688 to Shopify. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly import products from 1688 on your Shopify store. So to do this, you will have to download specific applications. The one that I recommend is going to be called CJ Dropshipping. So click on Add Apps and you will be able to visit the Shopify App Store. Like I said, there are different applications that are going to fulfill this request, but the one that I recommend is CJ Dropshipping. It doesn't require setups, it doesn't require a monthly fee, an initial fee, so you can use this one. There are other options, as you can see highlighted here, that will require a sign-up fee, but they are also going to achieve the same things, and possibly they are going to have more features. So it's down to you to pick whichever one is best. Once you find one that satisfies you, click on the install option and then open. After you are done doing this, you will be redirected into the CJ Dropshipping app, and in here you can look for products on 1688, AliExpress, eBay, and so on. So look for whatever it is that you wish to locate, and you will be able to import them here. As you can see, for 1688, you will need to install this plugin. After this, whenever you click on any products on 1688, for example, you can choose the list option, and this will allow you to add them to your store. So on the store, you will be able to look for Shopify, choose the option here whenever you have it selected, and consult the pricing, the variants, images and descriptions, and you can list this on your store. You will need to register a store to your CJ Dropshipping account, and you can do it over here at the left. And once everything has been assigned, you will be able to control it through your CJ dashboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect 1688 to Shopify. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.